Hello everyone, welcome back to My Diamond Addiction. This is Valerie, and Taylor's taking a little snoozy lay down over there. This video will be a product review of my Elysian Bridge from Dreamer Designs Canvas. I finally got this thing completed and thought I would show you what it looks like. Are you ready? Ta-da!
It looks nice and it feels nice too. She finished it last night.
I finished it last night, huh?
Oh.
So there we go. Do you see the sparkle in that? It really does sparkle quite nicely. And there really isn't... I've got an overhead light and 2 lamps, and it's creating that sparkle. I have no natural light coming in here because it was creating a big fuzz in through here. So let's go ahead and talk about this a little bit. First of all, okay, sit up there. Let's talk about the glue. The glue on this was great. It was fantastic. It does stick out, I wouldn't even say 1/8 of an inch out past here. Well, you could probably see the dirty mark where I kept sticking my arm on that right there because I didn't put any tape around the edges. Up here, it's just barely past the picture. So yeah, the glue, I'm really impressed by the glue. Now, as far as completion reviews, I just broke it down basically into 5 categories that I would be looking for, and each category will be worth 2 points. For the glue, they definitely get the full 2 points. The drills. The drills are great. I do have a couple of gaps where there was slightly smaller drills, but it didn't happen a lot. Let me see if I can bring that in there to where you can see, maybe, or you can see the drills. See, they fit together actually really well. And you see how sparkly they are? Yeah. So they fit together really well. It's only down in through here that I had an issue with some gapping. And again, it's just minor gapping. It isn't anything major. I do not have one single popping drill. Not one. I do love that because I've done a couple of Huacan squares now that I've had popping drills everywhere. So the drills are staying down. They're great. And I could probably straighten some of these gaps up and close them just a little bit if I just took some time. So I'm going to go ahead and give them the 2 points for the drills because I had enough to complete the entire project. And these are what's left over. It's kind of hard to tell, but there are plenty of each color left over. I did not run out of any colors. I did have a slight issue with static, so I do have some dryer sheets in there. But as you can tell, the problem with static is, for whatever reason, that one right there is really staticky, but the rest of them are pretty good. Maybe if I do it this way. There we go. See, you can see that there are extra drills in each color. I didn't run out of anything. I really didn't even get nervous that I was going to run out of any color at all. Yeah, this one right here, that purple is just really staticky, and I do have a dryer sheet in there, but I also live in the desert and it's really dry. So, okay, as far as the drills go, they will definitely get the 2 points for the drills. Their drills are gorgeous. They really are. So there's 4 points. Symbols, clear and easy to follow. No. Are they absolutely horrendous, impossible for me to finish? Obviously not. I did finish. I think this has been my only complaint from the whole process is that some of their symbols are a little hard to read. Now, once you get used to what the symbol looks like this one right here with the 3 dots. Okay, that one right there. When you get used to what that symbol looks like on the canvas, I was able to work through it much faster. It's just a matter of trying to be sure when you're starting the canvas. So I started down here, and probably after I got this much of the bottom done, I had a good majority of the symbols. Okay, so that's actually what it looks like. It doesn't totally look like this. It looks more like a green smudge in the middle. Because when you shrink that down to be this size, those 3 dots are extremely hard to read. Now, it appeared as though the printing of the symbols was lighter down through here, and then a portion of the canvas had darker symbols where they were actually a little more clear. Like maybe they were running out of ink and it was fading down here. I'm not sure. But I am going to take 1 of the 2 points away for the symbol clarity, just because they weren't overly clear. Again, I was able to complete it. I wasn't cussing at it. It was just a little bit more stressful than some of the other canvases where the symbols are really clear. So I am going to take 1 of the 2 points away for that. So now they have 5. The picture versus the final product. So right here, I am going to put a picture of what this looks like on their website. That picture should be up there now. And then when it goes away, you can look at how clear it looks here. I think for a 50 by 40, they may have been able to pull out a little more detail, I don't know, like through the bridge. But I do love how this turned out. I wasn't sure when I was completing it, you know, with like the green through the water and stuff. I wasn't sure how I was really going to feel about that. But there are so many aspects of this particular canvas that I love that I'm going to go ahead and give them the points for it. Because I will put this on my wall. This turned out amazing. Like I said, I wasn't sure when I was working on it how I was going to feel about it. And even my kids, when they would come over and look at it, they're like, yeah, I don't know. And then I got it done, and my son held it up across the room in some sunlight, and wow, it was gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. So I am going to go ahead and give them the points for the picture, because I do like how this turned out. Enjoyment factor. Did I enjoy doing this project? Yes and no. I absolutely loved working with the canvas itself, the picture that was coming alive on it. The symbol clarity did slow me down a little bit, and it caused me just a slight amount of anxiety. It's not hard to cause me small amounts of anxiety, but it did cause me a little bit of anxiety. But I can complete it. I did complete it, and I didn't really struggle. It took me a bit longer to complete this one than I've done other ones. I'm going to subtract a half of a point for the enjoyment, just because it did cause me a little bit of stress. So that is overall, and overall I do love this. I love this kit. I love the sparkle. I do like how this one turned out. I've seen a couple other ones that I would question a little bit, but this one is gorgeous. I do love it. So that would be an 8.5 out of 10. And I believe that they got a 10 out of 10 on the unboxing. So that would be an 18.5 out of 20. Or about a 9.5 overall. 9.25 to 9.5 out of 10. So this is a brand new company. They are going to have things that they need to work on, which is why they sent us these kits to work on them. The only things I could really see that they need to work on is the symbol clarity. And maybe trying to figure out how to pull a few more crisp details into some of these pictures. But like I said, it is gorgeous and I love it. And I will be working on my other 2 Dreamer designs that I unboxed for you the other day. So a little over, we'll call it a 9.3, 9.25. Let's do 9.25. So 9.25 out of 10 overall for Dreamer Designs. So like I said, brand new company. A few bugs left to work out, but overall, this is gorgeous. And it's going to look gorgeous when I get it put on the wall. I'm trying to decide which one of these colors to get a frame and design it after.
I know.
What?
It should be like this color with that color.
You want a multicolored frame? We'll see what we put together. But I will most likely record the framing of this one because it's beautiful. It really is. So, okay, if you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section down below. I will do the best I can to answer any questions that I can possibly answer. Don't forget to join the Facebook page if you want to. Link for that's down in the description. I'm going to be doing a couple of giveaways, you know, as we get more people into the Facebook group. I do have a Craftmates lockable that I'll give away, and a Xyron sticker maker, and just a couple of fun things. It won't be anything massive, but little fun things. Okay, I guess that would be it. I thank you all for watching and subscribing.
Give us a thumbs up.
Go ahead, give the video a thumbs up if you want to. If you don't want to, smash that thumbs down button. It's okay, we can take it. Thank you all for watching and subscribing, and we will see you in the next one. Bye.